So far, these are some of the rules that we have determined if we're multiplying two numbers with the same base but different exponents, we add them. If we're raising an exponent to another exponent, we multiply them. If we have two numbers inside the parenthesis and just a single exponent, we are going to multiply each number to the exponent. So now we have to try and figure out what is our rule going to be when we have negative exponents. So if we had 3 to the negative fifth, what would that be? Well, it's easy to think, well, what if we said it's just negative 3 to the fifth? I don't think that's going to be the same answer. Okay, so that won't work. How can I figure this out? I'm going to try and apply it to this rule up top. And I'm going to do that by using the reciprocal. So I'm going to go 3 to the negative fifth times 3 to the positive fifth. I'm just going to do the opposite, see what I get. That would simplify to 3 to the negative fifth plus the fifth, which would simplify 3 to the first. Well, that's confusing. Okay. But I guess that's telling me that my negative fifth is going to be opposite of my to the fifth. So 3 to the fifth, what's opposite of that? Well, isn't that going to be a fraction where 3 to the fifth is at the bottom? Okay. So our rule here, you guys, is that if we have a negative exponent, so 3 to the negative fifth, we simplify that and write it as 1 over 3 to the fifth. So that means it's going to be a number smaller than 0. It's going to be a fraction, or smaller than 1. Smaller than 1, sorry. So 1, if I did 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that's a big number. So it's a very, very small number that we just have to remember. If we have negative, it turns into the positive, but in the denominator of a fraction with 1 on top. So let's try and use that rule as we move forward.